Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change from gesture navigation to buttons navigation in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. As of now, I am using gesture navigation, that is swipe gestures. Okay, to go back, what I will use just from the right side bottom, swipe like this or swipe like this. I will go for going back, I will use like this. Okay, there is no button option here. Suppose if you would like to change from this option, this gesture option to button option, yes, you can do it. What you go to do is just go to the settings of your phone first, then go to display, then go to navigation bar, and here choose buttons. Okay, so now button option is available. Okay, so to go back, I go to press this one. Okay, to view recent apps, I go to press this. Okay, to go to the home screen, I go to touch this home button. Okay, so these are all the button navigation. So in this way, you can easily change from gesture navigation, swipe navigation to button navigation in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.